Deep beneath Google's colorful campus, in labs that don't appear on any maps, engineers were building something they weren't supposed to talk about. Something that would make AI weapons a terrifying reality. Google was secretly helping the military build AI for deadly drones. This isn't science fiction. This isn't a conspiracy theory. This really happened. And when the truth got out, Google's own employees revolted. Project Maven, the classified Pentagon contract Google tried to bury. A story of corporate secrets, ethical betrayals, and a tech giant playing with fire. By the end of this video, you'll see why this scandal changed Google forever, and why AI warfare might already be here. It all started in 2017. The Pentagon had a problem, a big one. They were drowning in drone footage, thousands of hours of surveillance videos from Iraq, Syria, Afghanistan. But humans couldn't analyze it fast enough. They needed machines to do it. So they turned to Silicon Valley, and Google said yes. The project was classified under the harmless-sounding name Project Maven. Project Maven's goal? Use Google's AI to automatically detect objects in drone videos, cars, buildings, even people. On paper, it sounded harmless, just image recognition. But in reality, this was the first step toward AI-powered warfare. The system built didn't just see cars and buildings. It learned to spot suspicious behavior, a person running, a car circling a building, patterns that meant one thing in war zones, target acquired. And Google kept it quiet. No press releases, no announcements, just a secret deal with the US military. Then, the leaks started. Engineers discovered Phase 2 documents. Their AI wouldn't just find targets anymore, it would rank them, like some horrific version of Google search results, but for drone strikes. The truth exploded. In March 2018, a bombshell report leaked. Google employees were furious. They had no idea their work was being used for military drones. Over 4,000 Google workers signed a petition demanding the project be canceled. Top AI researchers resigned in protest. One engineer wrote, "We're building Skynet. I won't be part of it." But here's the shocking part. Google didn't back down. Not at first. Internal memos revealed leadership doubling down, defending their work with the Pentagon. The backlash grew. Media outlets called it Google's Pentagon Papers. Then, reporters dug deeper and uncovered something even more chilling. Experts warned, if AI can identify targets, what stops it from pulling the trigger? Even former Google CEO Eric Schmidt was advising the Pentagon on AI. The lines between Silicon Valley and the military were blurring, fast. Finally, in June 2018, Google caved. They announced they wouldn't renew the Project Maven contract, but the damage was done. Google walked away, but the Pentagon didn't. Other tech companies rushed in to take their place: Palantir, Amazon, Anduril, all now building AI for war. Today, the US military is testing AI that can control swarms of drones. Russia and China are racing to do the same. Project Maven was just the beginning. So ask yourself, if Google couldn't resist the military's money, who's next? This story isn't over. AI warfare is evolving faster than laws can stop it. What do you think? Should tech giants work with the military? Or is this a path we can't come back from? If you found this story eye-opening, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech untold stories, and let me know in the comments. Should tech companies ever work with the military? This is Techno Tales, uncovering the tech stories you were never supposed to hear.